How to log out of your CapCut account. In order to log out of your CapCut account, you are first going to have to open up the app. And once you open it up, you just need to make sure that you're logged into the account that you want to log out of. And then you're going to have to head over to the Me section that you see at the bottom right corner. Once you get here, you'll land on your profile page. So you have an option to edit your profile here and view your recent template history as well. And on the top right, you'll have the hamburger menu. Simply tap on it. Once you get here, you have different options like scan, blocked accounts, manage accounts, and right below here, you have two options. The first one is to switch accounts, so you don't have to completely log out of your account to log into another one. You could just switch back and forth between your two accounts. And then if you want to completely sign out, you could just choose the last option, sign out, and it will automatically sign you out of your account. So if I head over to the Me section, as you can see, I'm going to get into the login page. Now, all you have to do is select an account to log into your CapCut and you'll be good to go. That's it. I hope it was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.